Cigornel gyntaf pnawn, Jordan Evans i'w chymryd i'r tîm cartra. A mor hawdd â hynna, mae Airbus wedi mynd ar y blaen. Tyler McManus, a fe stopiodd pawb am eiliad, a fe laniodd y bêl ar y blaen troi Tyler McManus. Bêl sy'n gad Linfield, tu hwnt iddo fo, gyda'r Ystyn, egin Piers! A fe gymerodd yr ergyd hon o wiriad. A'r bêl yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell. Rhys Williams wedi dod ymhell allan y gwrs Cosby gymryd y gic. Tuag at gwrs Cosby Airbus, Arthi. Ystyn yn colli'r meddiant ergyd o bell. Lewis Cyrrell newydd ymuno efo'r Fflint mae o. Bron iddo fo wneud i farc i'w glwb newydd yma na. Jordan Evans codi'r bêl dros yr amddiffyn. Linfield i'r llawer, a mae'n gic o'r smotyn. A mi oedd hi'n drosedd hollol amlwg, a mae'n gardyn coch hefyd. Ar ôl 90 eiliad o'r ail hannar, Paddy Lacey sy'n cael ei yrio'r cae. Craig Linfield nôl ar ei draed yn paratoi gymryd y gic. Ac yn taro'r trawst. Dihangfa i'r Fflint, cyfle i raidd wedi wastraffu gan y tîm cartra. Saf Rickett, nôl at ei golwr. Cyd gan Cian Jones. Cyffyrddiad ymlaen i lwybr Linfield. Linfield ebyn y golwr! A Rhys Williams yn gwneud yr arbediad. Ond fydd yr ymwelwyr yn fwy na hapus na dim ond cigornel fydd hi. A slac allan o'r cefn. Cyflwyno'r meddiant yn syth yn ôl i Airbus ergyd o bell! A Jordan Evans sydd wedi dwblu mantais y tîm cartra o'r diwedd. Yr ymwelwyr yn creu problema iddyn nhw eu hunan. A fe symudodd ergyd Jordan Evans yn yr awyr. A fe dwylliodd yn i'r Rhys Williams. Jordan Evans efo'r gic gornel! A mae'n dair! Peniad Craig Linfield ar y postyn agosa. A'r bêl yn fflachio heibio i Rhys Williams yn y gol. Mark, a comfortable victory against your nearest rivals in the league, a team who hadn't lost all season in the league before this afternoon. You must be happy with that.
Very happy. Not so sure it was comfortable. To be fair, you know, first half was a real slog and battle with the conditions. I thought to be fair, we passed the ball quite well in the first half when we had the chance, but other than that, it was just a battle. Second half, you know, I thought we played well. Obviously, they had the man sent off, which is what it is. But I thought we passed the ball really well, and then, you know, just to create as many chances as we did, you know, could have been a little bit more, I think.
Lee, tough afternoon.
Yeah, it was. You know, the result, it doesn't flatter to deceive them. They fully deserved it. Probably deserved to score a few more goals as well. Don't know what it was down. I thought we were flat. I thought they took the goal, which they went in early. You know, we did have players missing, but that's no excuse, because I generally thought that the 12 players we had, senior players, would be enough to go and compete against them, but today it wasn't enough.
And you were a big part of the win today. Your first goal for the club. That must be a good feeling.
Yeah, it's a great feeling, yeah. Waiting a long time for it. People thought it'd come last week, but no, this week, and yeah, it was a nice finish and a great feeling.